From the vibrant coral reefs teeming with life to the mysterious depths patrolled by giants, our planet holds a world unseen by many. Are you ready for an underwater adventure? Then you need to check out these incredible dive destinations. Join us as we journey beneath the waves to uncover the secrets of three of the most biodiverse and breathtaking dive sites on Earth. Get ready to explore hidden lagoons, encounter fascinating creatures, and discover the magic that awaits in our planet's blue heart. This is a countdown of the top 3 dive destinations that will leave you breathless. Our journey begins in the heart of the Coral Triangle, often referred to as the Amazon of the seas. Imagine a place where coral reefs explode in a kaleidoscope of colors, where fish of every shape and size dance amongst the coral, creating a mesmerizing underwater ballet. This is Raja Ampat, an archipelago in Indonesia, a true diver's paradise. Home to over 75% of the world's known coral species, Raja Ampat is a living library of coral diversity. Look closely, and you might spot a pygmy seahorse, perfectly camouflaged. Encounter majestic creatures like the graceful manta rays, gliding effortlessly through the water. The sheer abundance of life in Raja Ampat is staggering, a testament to the health of these waters. Diving in Raja Ampat is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave, a memory etched in your heart forever. Prepare to be amazed by the pristine coral reefs and breathtaking underwater landscapes, a world as close to paradise as you can get. Our next destination takes us to the Galapagos Islands, a volcanic archipelago off the coast of Ecuador, known for its stunning natural beauty and unique biodiversity. Isolated for millennia, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a living laboratory of evolution, where unique species have adapted to the harsh conditions, both above and below the waves. Imagine encountering a marine iguana, the only lizard in the world that forages for food in the ocean. And then there are the penguins, a delightful surprise in these tropical waters. But perhaps the most iconic inhabitant of the Galapagos waters is the hammerhead shark. These magnificent creatures congregate in large schools, creating an awe-inspiring spectacle. And let's not forget the playful sea lions. Their antics bring a smile to every diver's face. The unique creatures and dramatic landscapes make the Galapagos a truly unforgettable dive destination. Chapter 3. The Great Barrier Reef, a coral city under the sun. Our final destination takes us to the world's largest coral reef system, a natural wonder so vast it can be seen from space. Stretching over 1,400 miles along the coast of Australia, the Great Barrier Reef is a kaleidoscope of colors, supporting an astonishing array of marine creatures. This natural wonder is a diver's paradise, offering an unparalleled underwater adventure. Explore the vibrant coral gardens, swim with gentle giants, and witness the sheer scale of this underwater ecosystem. Imagine yourself floating over a coral garden, a riot of colors and shapes, where every turn reveals a new marvel. Staghorn coral branches reach towards the surface, creating intricate structures that provide shelter for countless marine species. Brain coral, its surface resembling a human brain, provides shelter for a myriad of small fish. And giant clams, their shells adorned with iridescent patterns, filter the water, adding to the reef's vibrant palette. The Great Barrier Reef is home to over 1,500 species of fish, each contributing to the reef's dynamic ecosystem. From the brightly colored parrotfish, their beaks crunching on coral, helping to shape the reef, to the graceful manta rays, their wingspans dwarfing even the largest of divers, gliding effortlessly through the water. Schools of fusiliers, a shimmering silver curtain, part as you approach, revealing a giant grouper, its watchful eyes surveying its coral kingdom. And then there are the turtles, ancient mariners of the sea. Green turtles, loggerhead turtles, and hawksbill turtles all call the Great Barrier Reef home. These ancient mariners glide effortlessly through the water, their shells adorned with algae and barnacles. But perhaps the most iconic inhabitant of the Great Barrier Reef is the clownfish. These small, brightly colored fish make their homes amongst the stinging tentacles of anemones, showcasing the delicate balance of life. Watch as they dart in and out of their anemone homes, their bright orange and white stripes a flash of color against the vibrant coral backdrop. And let's not forget the sharks, the apex predators of the reef. White-tip reef sharks, gray reef sharks, and even the occasional hammerhead shark patrol the reefs, maintaining the balance of marine life. White-tip reef sharks, gray reef sharks, and even the occasional hammerhead shark patrol the reefs, maintaining the balance of marine life. These apex predators play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of life on the reef. Diving on the Great Barrier Reef is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. It is a place of immense beauty, diversity, and wonder, a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet's oceans for generations to come. From the unparalleled biodiversity of Raja Ampat to the evolutionary wonders of the Galapagos and the sheer scale and beauty of the Great Barrier Reef, these dive destinations offer a glimpse into the heart of our planet's blue wilderness. Each location promises a unique adventure, a chance to connect with nature in its most pristine form and create memories that will last a lifetime. Which of these dive destinations is calling your name? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible underwater adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.